Hi my crafty friends! In today's video I want to share with you how can you upgrade your old crystals and glasses so they can look elegant and fancy. Watch the video to the end and let me know which one is your favorite. So let's get started! These are the materials that I'm gonna be using for my first project. Those are from a thrift store. The gems are from Dollar Tree. The snowflakes are from Hobby Lobby, as well as the falling crystals, also from Hobby Lobby. And I'm gonna use strong adhesive and hot glue. This octagon mirror, I found it in a thrift store only for $1. I'm gonna clean it up and remove all the back stickers. The glasses are from the thrift store also for 50 cents. I'm in love with this project. It turns amazing. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about it? I got this old tray in a thrift store for a long time. I'm gonna spray paint it gold. This is how it looks. I also put a clear top on it so it can look more shiny. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it around diamond ribbon that I buy at Amazon. I'm gonna cut it in half so it can fit better in all around the edges of the tray. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. How it looks so sparkly. Tell me in the comments if you like it. I'm gonna use it to put all my perfumes in it. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it as much as I do. You know what? I find this huge vase in a thrift store for only $1. I'm using tacky glue, clear tacky glue from Walmart to paste gold papers. That is the technique of foil gold paper. The gold paper is from Temu. It is not a good quality, so I have a hard time pasting it and then taking it off and cleaning the area. At the end, I love how it turns up. It is a unique piece and we can use it in home decoration and even in our parties. Thanks for watching the video to the end. And people, don't be the enemy of your own plans. Dream it, wish it, and do it. See you in the next one. Bye.